What's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to clean your C drive or local disk C in your Windows 10. It's a simple procedure but very effective, and we're gonna show it as fast as possible. We are not using any third-party programs to perform this cleaning process, so you don't have to download another creepy tool in order to do this. For your information, cleaning the unwanted files from your C drive or system drive will make your Windows run much faster. So let's start. Step number 1. Cleaning. Right-click on Start menu, and click on Run. Now enter temp, and click on OK. Now you will see all this file in folder, so you can select all of them, and press Shift-Delete button from your keyboard. Now open Run box again. Enter %temp%, and click on OK. Select all these files, and press Shift-Delete. Open Run box one last time, and this time typing prefetch. Now you will see another folder open. Maybe it's asked for permission. Click on Continue. Select all files, and press Shift-Delete. Now let's delete all the files from Recycle bin. It is done. Step number 2. Optimize C drive. First you need to go this PC. Now go to C drive, and right-click, and choose Properties from here. Go to Tools, and Optimize option. Now select C drive, and click on Optimize. Step number 3. Disk cleanup. This is the last and final steps that I know to clean your C drive even more or ensure everything else unwanted are cleared from your C drive. To do this, you need to go your Start menu and search Disk Cleanup. Click on it. Now check every options, and click on Clean up System Files. Then again check every options, and click on OK. Delete file. This process takes some time. So that's it. If you like this video, then subscribe our channel. See you soon with another one.